If you're looking for a no-fuss, unique dinner that's sure to impress the family, I've got your back. Today, we're making chili, shrimp, and peach skewers, and it's gonna be awesome. All right, guys, so let's get started. This one is super easy. I'm gonna just start with my McCormick chili seasoning. This is a great way to get another use out of this packet. It's not just for traditional chili. And to this, we're just gonna add 2 other simple ingredients. A little bit of cider vinegar, and a little bit of agave. These recipes should be easy and fast, and we're not open. All right, let's try that again. We're gonna go with some agave. And like I was saying, if you don't have agave, try maple syrup or honey. We just wanna add a little bit of sweetness. Let's mix that up to make our marinade. So you might notice it's a little too thick, and that's because I forgot to add the oil. Let's go with a little bit of oil in there. And we just want a nice consistency that's gonna coat our shrimp and our peaches, and it's gonna put all that flavor right on them. Okay, so we have a bag of peaches and a bag of shrimp. This is one of those great recipes where you don't have that much to clean up. So we're gonna add half of our marinade to the peaches and half of our marinade to the shrimp. There we go. So with the marinade in the bag, we're gonna close these up. And this is one of those jobs you can hand over to the kids, because you're just gonna let them massage these bags. You can throw it around. So same thing with the shrimp. You wanna fold that bag, get all that air out, and we're gonna massage that flavor and all those spices and that oil all on our shrimp. We're gonna let these marinate for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna throw them on a skewer and grill them in minutes flat. All right, let's get these guys on their skewers. Quick tip, if you're gonna use wooden skewers, you might wanna soak them in a little bit of water. That way they won't burn on the grill. So we're gonna open up these guys, roll them back. We're gonna start with shrimp. You kinda wanna double skewer these. You're gonna run through the head of the shrimp right to the base of the tail. Just throw that right on the skewer. And then we're gonna go with peaches. By the way, guys, if peaches aren't in season, you could try pineapple, would work great. And almost any fruit really, grills really nice. And we don't wanna crowd our skewer too much. We wanna leave a little bit of room, let everything cook, because we really don't want them to steam on the grill, we want them to grill. So guys, this gets a little messy. You definitely wanna wash your hands before and after. All right, we're skewered, my hands are washed. Let's get back into the action here. So let's heat up the grill. We want it like a medium high. And we're gonna put these skewers on. They really only take about 2 minutes aside. We're gonna just cook them till they're pink. So let's get these guys on our grill. Wait for the sizzle, wait for this. Ready? It's very impressive. There we go. All right, guys, so these are sizzling away. You're gonna turn them as soon as they start to turn pink. Another 2 minutes, and then dinner is done. All right, guys, these look great. We're gonna pull them off, put them in our platter here. You could see the shrimp are done. They're nice and pink. Look at that. Oh my gosh, amazing. My family is gonna love this. So some serving ideas. You could do brown rice, quinoa. This happens to be quinoa. Really anything works. We're gonna pile our skewers right on that. The smell is fantastic. The smokiness really kind of takes you to another place. It's such a great balance of flavors. It's sweet, it's savory, it's smoky, it's so delicious and unique. You would never even know it's chili, but it's such a great use of that spice packet. Your family's gonna love it.